Hey guys, welcome to DIY with Lenny. Today we're going to finish the border on the north side. I'm done transplanting the hostas. All I have to do is put all the mulch, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. Uh, I'm probably gonna put the video on silent while I'm doing it, and then I'm gonna give you a tour after that. So let's jump into it. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you what the mulch look like before we put it on the ground. And by the way, this is part 4 of our projects. So let's see what we have here. Okay guys, this is the mulch. I got it for 3 for $10 at Lowe's yesterday, and it's brown. It's a pretty decent mulch, and I'll show you in a little bit here when I put it on the ground. Alright, let's get to the project. So guys, I finally finished my projects in the north side of the house. I'm gonna give you a tour right now. This is a azalea that I transferred or transplanted here. It was from the front of the house, hidden in the bushes, and it needed the air and sun. And it finally bloomed. Your beautiful flowers. Not very much, but hopefully next year it'll blossom more. This is the angel face angelona, the purple one, and those are the annuals. I figured I'm not gonna probably let this hostas bloom this year with flowers. I want to cut them off so that the energy can focus on their leaves, so that they can recover from transplanting. And this is the bush that I trimmed, turned it into a tree. It was covering the half of the other bushes. In part 5, I showed you the tour of this garden in the front of the house, so check that out. This 2 over here was transferred, and I dug it out and put it in a container for a couple days, and it was dying. Hopefully it'll bounce back. I might have to trim the leaves. And then the rest was, well, actually these 2 over here, they were split. One of my video, I showed you guys how to separate or divide a hostas. So I hope you watched that one. And that was the part 3, I think. There you go. And then the rest was like whole hostas. I just dug it out and flopped them in there, planted it. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I will see you next time. Have a great day, guys. Thank you for watching DIY with Lenny. Goodbye.